Amazon merch just quietly dropped 2 brand new products, and sport backpacks and hardcover journals could open up sales you literally couldn't earn last month. If you sell on merch on demand, this changes what your designs can live on. I'm the Cha-Ching Queen, your merch on demand news assistant here at Niche Please. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what these products are, who can use them right now, and one smart move to prepare. And stick around, because there's a catch about who actually gets access that trips up most sellers. Here's the headline straight up: Amazon Merch on Demand added sport backpacks and hardcover journals to its catalog. That means your art can now travel beyond shirts and hoodies. For years, most merch sellers thought of it as a t-shirt platform with a few extras. New product types are a big deal because they give the same design more places to earn. Let's start with this sport backpack. Think lightweight, cinch-style bag, the kind people grab for the gym, hiking, or school. That's a whole different buyer mindset than a t-shirt shopper. Bags sell on function first, then the design that makes it feel like theirs. Now the hardcover journal. This one's exciting because journals are gifts, planners, and keepsakes people keep for years. A funny quote works on a shirt, but a heartfelt or motivational design can genuinely shine on a journal cover. Same skill, brand new canvas. But here's the catch I promised, and it's important. These new products are available in the US for qualifying accounts. So, 2 things matter. It's rolling out in the US market, and it's for qualifying accounts. That word qualifying is what confuses people. Amazon often unlocks certain products based on your account status. So if you don't see backpacks or journals yet, it doesn't mean you did anything wrong. Okay, but here's where it really gets interesting. The move that matters isn't waiting around. It's getting your account and your art ready for the moment these unlock. Step 1, log into your Merch on Demand dashboard and check your available product types. This is the only place to confirm what your account can actually publish. Step 2, keep your account in good standing and keep selling. Healthy, active accounts are the kind that tend to see new products and new options first. Step 3, look at your best-selling shirt designs and ask which ones would translate. Which quote belongs on a journal? Which bold graphic would pop on a backpack? Step 4, remember the shape is different. A backpack panel and a journal cover aren't shirt-shaped, so center your artwork and leave clean margins. Step 5, think about the buyer, not just the picture. Journal shoppers love meaningful and gift-worthy lines. Backpack buyers love bold, sporty, and personal. Step 6, treat your listings like their own thing. Titles, bullets, and keywords for a journal should match how people search for journals, not shirts. Now for the payoff, the thing I told you to stick around for. The sellers who win new products aren't the ones who happen to get early access. They're the ones who already have designs ready to upload the second the option appears. Preparation beats access. Access without art ready is just watching an opportunity sit there. That's the difference nobody talks about. And one more honest reminder. Product availability, eligibility, and any details can change over time, so always trust your live dashboard over anything else. So today's move is simple. Check your dashboard for sport backpacks and hardcover journals and prep 2 designs that would fit each one. Do that and you're already ahead of most sellers when it unlocks. Subscribe to the Niche Please channel so you never miss a Merch on Demand update. This was the Cha-Ching Queen. See you next time.